Safety and sanitation. Think about the safety guidelines you typically follow in the kitchen. How long do you wash your hands before preparing your food? Do you keep raw meat and poultry separate from other foods? How do you check meat to make sure it's cooked thoroughly? What do you do to prevent cuts and burns? Kitchen safety guidelines seem almost endless, yet routinely taking basic precautions can prevent most accidents and food-related illnesses. Health experts estimate that every minute of every day someone is stricken with a foodborne illness or food poisoning. Foodborne illness is an illness caused by eating spoiled food or food containing harmful bacteria. Bacteria are one-celled living organisms so small that they can be seen only with a microscope. When harmful bacteria are transferred from one food or surface to another, cross-contamination occurs. For example, raw meat cut on a cutting board can cross-contaminate a salad if the cutting board is not washed thoroughly before it's used as a cutting surface for salad vegetables. Some people use separate cutting boards to avoid cross-contamination. The good news is that simple precautions prevent foodborne illnesses. Experts believe that 85% of all foodborne sickness is avoidable. Taking the time to sanitize or clean to get rid of bacteria is the first step in preventing foodborne illness. Imagine you and your family are eating out in a restaurant. As you pass the kitchen, you notice an employee's hair is dangling into the food. You spot another employee handling food with dirty hands. How would you feel about eating food prepared by these employees? Your home isn't a restaurant, but your personal cleanliness in your own kitchen still counts. Personal cleanliness in the kitchen begins with clean hands. Always wash your hands thoroughly with soap and warm water, rubbing them together for at least 20 seconds. After washing your hands, dry them before handling food. If you take a break from preparing food to use the restroom, make sure your hands are washed. You also need to wash your hands after handling anything dirty or potentially hazardous, such as cleaning solutions. If you have a cut or scrape on your hand, wear plastic gloves while preparing food. Other personal cleanliness tips include turning your face away from food to sneeze or cough, tying back your hair if it's long, having clean nails, and not touching your hair while working in the kitchen. Also, always wear clean clothes to prevent dirt from transferring from your clothes to your food. Cleanliness isn't the only way to combat foodborne illness. The following cooking and reheating tips can help you prevent the spread of harmful bacteria. Wash produce thoroughly. Wait before tasting. Thaw food safely. Cook food until done. Finish cooking once you start. And heat leftovers properly. Serving delicious food is just one reward of preparing food. The following tips will help you serve delicious food safely. Use sauces carefully. Clean serving plates. Serve food in time. Keep temperatures consistent. More accidents take place in the kitchen than in any other room in the home. Prevent accidents by thinking ahead and working safely in the kitchen. The following sections offer some guidelines to help you make the kitchen a safe place to work. What other safety rules can you add? Being careless while using the range and oven can lead to fires and burns. Fires can start easily and quickly. If a grease fire starts, smother the fire with a pan cover, salt, or baking soda, not flour or water. Never use water on a grease fire because the water spreads the flames. If the fire is in the oven, turn the controls off and close the door tightly to smother the flames. Always keep a fire extinguisher in the kitchen and know how to use it. Here are some additional tips to keep you injury-free at the range or oven. Mind cooking food. Keep appliances clean. Keep pot handles inward. Use a pot holder. Wear proper clothing. Keep flammables away from the range. Use utensils properly. Open covers carefully. Fry foods with caution. Use cookware properly. Microwaves are so easy to use you may forget that they can be the cause of injuries. Safe microwave cooking begins with the proper cookware. Choose microwave-safe plastic containers or cookware made of glass, microwave cookware, and microwave dishware to heat food in the microwave. Special bags are also available for microwave cooking. Alternately, you can use paper plates and paper towels as long as they're not made of recycled paper, which can catch fire. When microwaving plastic containers and pouches, puncture or vent them to keep them steam from building. If steam continues to build, it can cause the pouches and containers to burst. A process called superheating can cause another type of explosion. Superheating occurs when a liquid's container does not allow bubbles to form, causing the liquid to explode. To prevent superheating, heat liquids a little at a time, stopping every few seconds to check the temperature. Food cooked in a microwave continues to cook after the microwave timer goes off, which means it's still hot. Allow it a few minutes to cool slightly. Stay in the room while food is cooking in the microwave in case